In the previous video, part 3 of the screening phase, we collected all the PDFs, 48 papers, organized in the FT Bank folder. Every single one has a DOI and a recorded source. During title and abstract screening, we screened based on title and abstract only. The AI read a summary and made a preliminary decision. Quick but shallow. Full text screening is different. We're asking the AI to read the entire paper, every page, every section, methods, results, discussion, and the AI has to check each of our eligibility criteria one by one with evidence from the paper itself. This is the deepest screening step in the entire systematic review process. We'll do it all in one session. Go to SRxAI.online. We're now at step 4, full text. Notice the description. The AI reviews complete PDF documents against your full inclusion and exclusion criteria. The input is the protocol plus individual PDFs. The output is a decision plus data extraction. Copy the prompt. Open a new AI chatbot with a thinking model. Paste the prompt. But don't send it yet. This prompt needs one more thing, our full protocol file. Drag the protocol PDF into the AI chatbot, same as when we generated the title and abstract screening prompt. The protocol is what tells the AI our criteria, our PICO, our eligibility requirements. The prompt is ready. Download it. The file has downloaded. The name is already customized to match our topic. Save it in the project folder. Now let's look at what's inside this prompt. See that? This isn't a generic prompt. This is a prompt specifically built for our study. The population criteria have 5 sub-criteria. Every single one must be yes to pass. Intervention criteria are there too. Outcome criteria are there too. Each criterion has a specific requirement and a check column. This is what the AI will use to evaluate each paper, one by one, criterion by criterion. Select all, copy. We are going to use this prompt now. Open a new AI chatbot with a thinking model. Paste the screening prompt we just copied. Send the prompt first so the AI chatbot understands the context. Now we upload the first paper from the FT Bank. Drag it in. One chat, one paper. Each paper will be screened in a separate chat. Why? Because if all papers are in the same chat, the AI chatbot's context window will fill up. It'll start forgetting the original criteria. One paper per chat, the AI can focus fully. But the same prompt, we paste the same prompt for every new chat. Upload one PDF, run. For the next paper, open a new chat. Paste the same prompt, upload the next PDF, run. Third paper, new chat again. Paste the prompt, send. See the pattern? Repetitive but systematic. Every paper gets the same treatment, the same prompt, the same standard. No bias.
𝗟𝗲𝗿 2014. Decision? Include. All criteria verified yes. That means every criterion in our eligibility checklist, population, intervention, comparator, outcome, all passed. And notice the browser tabs. We're using tab groupings to stay organized. Green tabs for include, red tabs for exclude, so we can visually track which papers have been screened, which are include, and which are exclude.
Maya 2025. Decision? Exclude. Look at the detail. It doesn't just say exclude, it gives a reason code. It quotes evidence from the paper itself. There are even secondary issues noted. This is a level of detail that reviewers want to see. If we exclude a paper, we need to justify why, with evidence, with a specific criterion. The AI does all of this automatically.
𝗪𝗵𝘁 2018. Another exclude. But look at the eligibility checklist. The AI prepared a complete checklist. Full text accessible, yes. Population criteria, all yes. Everything passed except outcomes. This paper reported outcomes that don't match our protocol. This is important. Even though the paper is excluded, we can see exactly where it failed. Transparent, reproducible. Every time the AI gives a decision, we record it immediately in the search tracker. Go to the Screening Log tab, FT Decision column. Open the drop-down. Select Include or Exclude. If it's Exclude, we need to select the FT exclusion reason. The drop-down already has all the standard reasons: wrong population, wrong intervention, wrong comparator, wrong outcome, wrong study design, not English, unavailable, duplicate, abstract only, or other. Choose the one that matches the AI output. In this case, the primary reason for exclusion is E4, outcomes, so we select wrong outcome. For papers that are unavailable, papers where we couldn't get the full text despite trying every channel, select unavailable as the FT exclusion reason. This process is repetitive. Open a new AI chatbot, paste the prompt, upload the PDF, wait for the decision, record it in a tracker. 48 papers, one by one. But don't rush. Every decision needs to be correct. If the AI says include, check the eligibility checklist. If everything is yes, accept it. If the AI says exclude, check the evidence it quoted. Does that criterion genuinely fail? The AI does the heavy lifting, but verification is still our responsibility. Done. Every row now has an FT decision. The notes column says FT screening completed for each paper. There's a mix of include and exclude. Each one has a specific reason. And see rows 52 and below? Those are records that were already excluded during title and abstract screening. No need to touch them. Sort the FT decision column Z to A. Include moves to the top. 6 papers include at the top, green. Below that, everything is exclude with complete exclusion reasons: wrong outcome, wrong population, wrong intervention, wrong comparator, wrong study design, unavailable.
The PRISMA flow. Here's the full picture. Identification: 2,567 records from databases, 138 from other sources. Total 2,705. Duplicates removed 1,305. After duplicates 1,400. Screening: title and abstract screen 1,400. Excluded 1,352. Reports sought for retrieval 48. Not retrieved 4. Reports assessed for eligibility 44. Reports excluded 38. With a complete breakdown: wrong population 15, wrong intervention 10, wrong comparator 2, wrong outcome 10, wrong study design 1. And finally, studies included in review 6. 6 out of 2,705 records that we identified at the very beginning, 6 survived every stage of screening. 6 papers that truly meet all of our eligibility criteria. 6 papers that will carry forward into data extraction and synthesis. And all of these numbers are automatic. We didn't calculate anything manually. The tracker computed everything from the data in the screening log. PRISMA 2020 compliant, ready for the manuscript. Let's recap what we covered in Part 4. We generated a customized full-text screening prompt from our protocol, specific to our criteria. We screened 48 papers one by one, each paper in a separate chat. The AI read the full paper, completed the eligibility checklist, and gave a decision with evidence and a reason code. 6 include, 38 exclude, out of the 44 we actually assessed. 4 more were unavailable. Every exclusion has a specific reason, all documented with evidence from the paper itself. The PRISMA flow has auto-updated, complete from identification through to included. We're left with 6 studies. For the next step, see you in the next video.